Hello. All right. So in this video, it's like a rant, or not much a rant. I think initial rant, but it's more of like an opinionated video. Not most of my videos naman ay parang opinionated. Anyway, highway. So ayun na nga. So this video will talk about this parang sort of debate or topics that's happening or that's been going around social media about clean as you go thing. Like there are some people, posting photos, uh, yung maduming table, may mga kalat, and all of that, sa Starbucks or sa McDonald's, for example, or Jollibee, parang ganun. So, and they are positioning themselves na they are better than those people who left those kalat, because they will put the caption dun sa mga they will put a caption dun sa photos nila, yung photos na may kalat sa table. Na the people try who's been sitting there, or were parang uneducated ganon, or haven't heard the word Claygo or clean as you go thing, or that kind of culture bang tawag doon, or whatever it is, no? So yung mga ganon, parang they want to showcase that they are better than those people, and we don't know if they are really following clean as you go, or if they are really clean sa bahay nila or what. But of course, if you're gonna see it, someone who doesn't know them too, you might feel, or you might parang judge them na, oh, this person is better kasi, they know about Clego or clean as you go thing. They are, baka malinis sila, right? We don't know. But in reality, maybe hindi naman talaga. Maybe they're just, riding the clout or whatever, or because they've heard it before, like, or they saw some post similar to that, and they want also to have a similar vibe. Because of course, as we all know, as I mentioned earlier, na if someone sees that kind of photo or that kind of caption or a photo with that kind of opinion or post, parang maging mabango yung yung profile niya, kasi he or she will look malinis, right? Parang malinis sa buhay, malinis sa katawan, or or whatever, or sa bahay, ganun. So, ganun. Pero yun yung parang hindi masyadong hindi masyadong ano sa akin, parang okay. Okay, let's just say na parang hindi siya, it doesn't sit well sa akin. Parang ganun. So parang masyadong hypocrite. Alam mo yun? So ayun, so parang okay. But of course, let them be, since it's their post, it's their feed, it's their social media account anyway, so it doesn't matter. So okay, fine. And then there are and then may mga comments din doon na parang similar lang din. Parang they will just ride, or probably some of them are really, really concerned, or they really want, and naman I understand that some of them really want Filipinos to be hindi burara, because Filipinos, as we all know, we don't know where the trash is, or I don't know if we know how to dispose our trash, kasi sa mga rally, sa mga events, or even if, sa parks, we will see garbages. So, yun, it's a frustrating culture kasi for some reason, we don't know how to throw our trash. So, I think that's where they are coming from. Yung iba dyan na hate the people who are sitting in the McDonald's or Starbucks. They will not clean their table, parang ganon. So, I think some of them are, shading yung ganon, or where they are coming from. So, ayun. But for some naman, parang they don't understand also when to start yung mag-clean as you go, at yung hindi mag-clean as you go. Right? So, for example, here in the Philippines, yung mga Starbucks or even McDonald's, yung mga ganon, they position themselves na it's not pang mahirap. Even if McDonald's is medyo pang masa naman ang mga fast foods, right? But not all fast foods are pang masa. Like, for example, we are like the major fast foods here in the Philippines. Hindi siya ganon ka pang masa or pang masa, yes, but they are doing above and beyond kind of service because marami silang servers. Maraming hindi lang sa counter, meron din silang mga nililinis talaga, right? You can see it. So, pag ganun yung position ng ng ng, ng brand, 'di ba? So, you're expecting na hindi ka maglilinis ng table mo because someone is going to do that. They hired someone to do that. So, it's natural lang na you will just leave it there because they have a process for that. Hindi ka magbida-bida para linisin, para kunwari ikaw ay malinis na person. Right? But there are some fast foods though na walang ganun. Wala silang maraming tao. So, of course, ikaw, someone who is thoughtful, of course, lilinisin mo lang yung table mo. Kasi wala namang malilinis kasi yung tao lang ng fast food na probably is in the counter or kitchen. So, ganun. So, di ba? Parang you have to make sense or dapat senseful ka. Parang ganun. Or thoughtful ka or whatever. So, ayun. So, you just have to know na kung yung brand is like that or they're giving you service na you don't need to clean your table. You can just, leave and go or just eat and leave. Ganon. So, you don't need to, hindi mo kailangan bida-bida, maglinis ng table, right? But if you want, you can also do that, pero you're not expected to. So the people, yung mga nagbida-bida din, na nag-post ng mga ganong picture, pinipicturean yung table na marumi, and they are in Starbucks or they are in McDonald's, for example, they don't understand. Parang di lang nalagets na yun yung branding, part ng branding yun, na may service na naglilinis ng table. Di ba? Because they can afford someone, they can afford to hire someone to clean the table. Di ba? Makes sense. So, ganon. So, medyo nakakairita lang yung mga ganong tao na nagbida-bida sila na parang they are better. They are posting na, okay, that's the people here. And then they even parang name, like someone, they call it, because di ba in Starbucks, merong pangalan ng cup. So, for example, Alex or Maria. So, they will just put the name, oh, Maria or Alex is Borara, parang ganon. Parang they're tagging the person. And they don't even know the person. Di ba? So, maybe the person is way better than you because they are aware na if they are in Starbucks, the Starbucks in Philippines are positioned like a coffee shop na parang hotel-ish level. Medyo na, di ba, is initially that's what Starbucks. Di ba? Initially, yun yung position ng branding nila dito sa Philippines. Parang recently lang siya naging parang common na parang malapit na siya maging fast food, parang ganun. But still, even though gano'n na sila, like super marami nang nakakapasok na Starbucks. But dati kasi 'di ba it's kind of exclusive or medyo may ganun siyang vibe, right? Parang hotel vibe na you don't go. Hindi lahat ng person will going to have coffees hotels, right? So, ganun. Kasi nakaka-intimidate, right? So, ganun yung dating ng Starbucks dati. So, intimidating, ganyan. But now, hindi na siya masyado. Parang siyang, pero yung continuous pa rin yung branding nila, yung service nila. So, you can still see server. I don't know sa inyong sa Starbucks din dyan, baka wala. Sa amin dito, merong man naglilinis, right? They hire someone to clean the tables. Though they also put, kita naman na mayroon silang mga garbage bins, tsaka yung tray keneso, where you can put those if you want. If you want a clean as you go thing, so go ahead. Diba? Yun yung Starbucks in the Philippines. Though in other countries, ang Starbucks doon is hindi siya fancy. Hindi siya fancy na coffee shop. It's an ordinary coffee shop, right? So mostly, wala sila masyadong tao na naglilinis sa paligid. Yung mga tao nila is nandun lang sa counter or kitchen or dun sa likod. Right? So wala masyadong naglilinis. So expected na clean as you go sa ibang countries. So you have to understand that part, di ba? In the Philippines, hindi ganon. If you can see a server or someone who cleans yung naka-black apron na, well, black apron din naman yung, parang black apron din naman yung parang boss nila or parang team lead ng mga barista. Pero meron isa dyan, naka-black apron din, na nasa labas ng counter, nag-iikot-ikot. Yun yung naglilinis. Diba? So kung merong ganon, so meaning, hindi talaga necessary na clean as you go. You can leave it there kasi yun yung branding ng Starbucks here in the Philippines. So ganun. Similar din sa McDonald's, di ba? Though in other countries, like US or other countries, even in Southeast Asia or within Asia, they position themselves just a fast food, pangmasa. So therefore, walang naglilinis ng table. So clean as you go, right? Pero here in the Philippines, marami. May naglilinis ng floor, may naglilinis ng CR, may naglilinis ng mga tables. Right? So, if you are seeing those crew, so, alam mo kung anong gagawin. Hindi ka mag-clean as you go since meron ganon. Di ba? Kasi kung magbibida-bida ka, mag-clean as you go, you're gonna start the movement of ganon, clean as you go movement thing. Okay, fine. That's fine. Wala namang problem. But the thing is, if you keep on doing that one, the businessman, yung may-ari ng mga McDonald's, ng Starbucks, sasakayan. And it's convenient for them. Kasi instead of hiring someone to clean the table, hindi na sila mag-hire kasi clean as you go culture na daw ang Filipino eh. So, okay. So, tipid na. Di ba? Tipid na sila. So, sino ngayon ang alkanse? Mga Filipino ulit. Wala na silang additional hirings, right? Especially now na may AI na. So, physical labor is magiging on demand, right? And cleaning the table, hindi yun pwedeng gawin ng AI. So, magiging on demand na, maging server, maging tagahugas, maging cashier, kahit cashier nga pwede na maging AI, pero anyway, yung mga ganun. So, di ba? And we need those kind of jobs, di ba? So, huwag magbida-bida. Kung gusto mong bida-bida ng kalinisan, huwag kang magpunterya sa mga coffee shops or sa mga establishments na yung branding nila is gano'n. Magpunterya ka doon sa mga parking nyo, sa, like park or ano man yung public spaces. Tingnan mo doon, di ba? You can see a lot of Filipinos leaving their garbages na para bang merong nagtatagalinis talaga, right? Well, meron naman talagang tagalinis ng park, pero hindi sila tagasunod kasi ang laki-laki ng park, right? So, parang common sense na you have to throw it, your garbage, or bring it with you, yung garbage mo, di ba? Kasi park yun. Kahit may tagalinis, pero may schedule ang tagalinis ng park. Hindi siya tulad ng Starbucks na there is someone roaming around to clean. So, ganon. So, dapat dapat marunong kayong mag-understand ng difference. Gets nyo tayo? So, yun lang yung parang comment ko sa mga Filipino. Wow. Being a Filipino also. So, yun. Parang masyado tayong some of us are bida-bida na hindi siya ganun ka always right. Parang, yung iba kasi sumasakay lang naman sa hindi naman talaga naturally coming from them, na parang inborn or maybe at least culture ng family nila, diba? Kasi some of us, like for example, like for example, yung like sinabihan ko talaga ng parents one, you have to throw your garbage sa tamang lalagyan, or if you don't see garbage, bring it with you, put it on your pocket, whatever, basta huwag mong itawan saan, right? And regardless if you're mayaman or mahirap, nasa culture talaga ng family. So, Ganun. And then most of us Filipinos, I don't know, parang wala yatang ganong klaseng turo. I don't know. Kasi, I don't know how Filipinos see their country. Well, nasa Philippines naman ako, but, you know, parang, I can't understand na parang, why are you going to throw your trash outside? Like, may nakita kasi ako nag-drive ako ng motor, and yung nauna ko, it's a car. It's a car. Tapos bigla niyang tinapon yung parang resibo niya yata sa daan. So I was like, anong tingin niya sa paligid niya? Basurahan ba? Is it ang Philippines ba? Is isang malaking landfill? Parang ganon. Na parang you can throw anywhere since it's a landfill. So, like, di ba? You can throw anywhere your garbage because it's a landfill anyway. Alam mo yun? So, I don't understand bakit ganon yung thinking ng ibang Filipino. And imagine, naka-car yun ha. So, the assumption there is meron silang better education, ganon, right? Or better culture, family culture. Pero, hindi pa din. So, ayun. So, yun lang for now. Hi. That's it, Pansit. Buyers.